Right, what's up guys, and welcome back to another Let's Talk Cars. And today I'm far too excited to be introducing this Nissan Gtr. Tom's been kind enough to let us go out today and film in the car to show you a bit, do a few launches, show you a few exhaust sounds, mention a few of the upgrades that it's had, and I think we just need to get on with this. And later, tell you what, first of all, I'll tell you what it's had fitted, and then what I'll do is I'll put a sheet up with the rest of the stuff. Tom's got a list of everything that it's had done, because at one point guy blew the engine up in this thing, so I knew one had to get fitted. So it's actually had 7 Valley Motorsport forged engine, a custom 680 remap, 1050cc injectors, Miltech downpipes, a full 4-inch exhaust, and a Litchfield super stock intercooler. I cannot wait to get out in this thing. It's an absolute dream car. Just being in it today, I just can't believe that I'm getting the chance to even be in one and just have this experience, just filming this thing. It's going to be amazing. It really is. So let's get on our way and get out in it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Right guys, so I'm sat a little bit close to this camera. Tom's girlfriend's in the back. I don't know how close I am to the camera. You might just have a full face of me, but it's alright, it's alright. Well, here we are in the GTR. I'm far too excited. It's going to go for a little drive, do a few pulls, do a launch, and just have a little good time really in this GTR. If you don't like this video, I'm going to be honest, I don't really... Yeah, like as I was going to say, honestly, mate, if you don't like this video, I don't care, because I'm going to have the best time of my life right now, mate. I swear, that's how I am. God. Woo.
It's quite nice to... It's progressive.
Yeah.
I don't feel unsafe in it.
No.
Like, it'll let you have a bit of play like that, a bit of sideways action, but if you get too far, it's like, whoa.
Yeah,
Right, it's
and it'll just catch up. Put that in race mode.
Right, so we are, launch 1.
I don't think it'll be that as exciting as your own before, like, because it's wet.
Yeah, it's wet, like you say, it's on semi-wet.
So it's on potensors.
Yeah.
It knows that the road's wet as well because of the temperature, so it makes the launch less aggressive.
Oh god,
You know, so you
clever
don't spin
car,
out.
aren't they, mate? Such a clever car. Get in there. Good luck.
It's the gear change that I can't get away from, mate. They're just like
It's just boom, boom, boom.
straight away.
Yeah.
Wow, that's getting out of race mode. I'm fucking so uncomfortable. I feel like my fucking cheeks just wobble constantly. That's all you're going to see on the corner of that video, my cheek doing this.
I know, I'm not talking too much, but I will try, honestly. I'm just too excited. I'm just too excited.
We'll have to do another video when it's dry.
Oh yeah, definitely, mate. Yeah, if you're up for it, mate, I'm back in it. I'm back here.
Well, I'm going to Spa next year in October. I'll be taking
Yeah.
it around Spa. Obviously, I'll be doing track days before then if you want to come down with us. And
There you go.
GoPro and or whatever.
A few track days to the GTR.
Probably not.
If you guys got any ideas that you want to see about the car, any ideas of videos and that, comment below. We'll Tom will have a look and he'll tell me if he's up for doing any of them.
Probably will be.
Yeah, well, there you go. Probably will be. So just put your comments below and we'll just do them.
I'm bad like that, mate. I don't need much persuasion. Do this, okay.
Okay, I'm doing it. There you go.
Yeah, we'll go back there. Do you want to drive before you, like?
Yeah, if you're up for it, mate, yeah.
Just turn the handbrake off and ready to go.
Right, it's a nice little surprise. Didn't know I was going to get to drive it, like.
Oh, yeah, it's in manual.
Sorry, yeah, so it's in manual. Oh, I'm getting to drive a GTR! Who's driving a GTR? I'm driving a GTR. I'm not used to the flappy panels not following me around. Oh my god, I'm going to drive a GTR. Steering's so nice and sensitive. Get in there! Whoa, get in there, mate! What a machine! I don't want to give it too much just in case. Obviously, not break the speed limit. Not break the speed limit. Wow, what a car! See, the acceleration is straight away there. It's wet, so I don't want to hit these buttons too much. Steering's like, it's sensitive, but it's dead hard as well. Do you know what I mean? Like you can, you feel yourself steering it. Yeah. I can see what you mean now. Like when your back end's kicking a bit, why you can handle it so well because you can feel it so much.
There's a lot of feedback to it. I don't understand why people say it's too, like, they always go, oh, it's too electronic, it's boring, it's not a driver's car. But I find it just the right balance, to be honest.
Absolutely, mate. It feels unbelievable.
I think any more than you wouldn't want to drive, you wouldn't have it as a daily, would you?
No, not at all. Oh, the gear changes, mate. One, just there. Didn't ever think I'd get to drive a GTR on the streets.
Don't mind, mate.
Honestly, mate, I can't believe it.
I've never been funny about like people driving me cars or whatever.
No.
Like not in a big-headed
No, I never would
like,
be, mate. Like, at the end of the day, I know if I had a Lamborghini or if I had a Ferrari or if I had a Bugatti, mate, I know for a fact I'd let people drive, but it's just
like you say, people don't get the opportunity to do this.
Not everyone does. Except it's got automatic 6 now.
It's nice to just put
So
them
I'm
out,
driving
mate.
40 mile per hour and it puts in 6th gear, mate.
The gear changes are quite early on it. I found that when you set off, it's just like all the way into 6th at like 40.
Bloody hell. If I wasn't concentrating on the gears, I wouldn't know it was changing gear. Steering wheel feels so nice.
The guy had that all re-trimmed with this. Not meant to, but it was supposed to be leather. I mean, that's like meant to be Alcantara.
Yeah, like that.
I'll get it sorted. There's a few things on my niggle list.
No, for next video, maybe you'll have some of them, mate.
Wheels need refurbing, definitely.
Yeah.
I want to upgrade the brakes. That was instant as well, yeah.
God, it's just as soon as you touch it, that pedal, mate, it's bombed straight on. Short but sweet video, but in the future, like I say, put your comments below. We will do them videos. It's just an introduction to the car, really. I can't believe I've got to drive it for the first video. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, peace out and take care.